here she is. Still got a couple of things to do, but I knocked out the most important things this morning. I fixed a lot of the wiring for the lights and the cables. I changed the oil. I changed the transmission fluid. I replaced this little hose right here. It's like a little vent. Cleaned the air filter. New fuel in it. So it's in pretty good shape. Now I just got to work on the cutting head. We got to see about backlapping and sharpening the reel and adjusting all of that. We got to adjust the height of cut, and then we will give it a test run. I don't know what this was. I think it was some sort of like operator presence safety switch, but I cut it out because it was all rigged up like junky. So if I need it, I'll put it back, but overall the machine looks pretty good. The oil was black, but the transmission fluid looked good. I just went ahead and replaced it just to be on the safe side. And I'll get some wire loom to cover all these wires and make it look nicer, but for the time being I just kind of cut out what I didn't need and shortened everything and made it a little bit cleaner. But overall, not bad for what I bought it for. So I do need to fix these bolts for the starter because that's the original bolt. That's just like a Phillips head screw and there's not one on the bottom. So I need to get 2 more of these and replace that. And then these lights, they're kind of zip tied together because I think the piece right here comes apart. So I either get new lights or maybe glue that or epoxy it. But overall, I'm really curious to see how this mower cuts compared to the John Deere. I'm not going to give up on the John Deere just yet. It's a great mower. This is an 18-inch cut with a Honda engine, and this one is a 21-inch cut with a Kawasaki, and it's a floating cutter, so it should contour the grass better, the ground. I do need to check the belts, the tension on the belts, and I'll probably go ahead and replace them. I have all the covers for the belts. I just took them off to clean the machine. And what's interesting about this machine is there's 0 grease fittings, whereas the John Deere has grease fittings everywhere. It's probably 14 on this machine. You can see the 2 on the roller there. This is a great machine. It cuts beautiful, it handles well. It's just, I got this one at such a good deal, I couldn't pass it up, and I wanted to try out a Toro. I mean, Toro and John Deere are the leaders in greens mowers. It's really dirty, so I'm gonna blast it with brake cleaner. You can see how dirty it is. blower that I found in the garbage to blow it off and dry it.
You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me.